He could literally.
Let me do it. Did it work?
No, dude.
That's so normal.
That was just rough. None of that was fun.
Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog.
Get the fuck out of here.
No, dude, let's go. Let's get it going.
No, dude.
Get it going.
What is everyone doing in her?
We're going Pete, come in.
Come on. I gotta piss so bad.
Sean, get in here. We're all going Pete.
We go. Is that thing rolling?
Yeah. A lot of people told me that I need to introduce you guys better so we can get more invested into the characters.
This is me and Jared. I'm Tommy.
Where's Jared?
We eat a lot of ass. That's about it.
Who are you?
I'm Cole Gross. Oh, dude.
Oh, dude, you're good.
Yeah, you're good, bud.
You're good.
Watch
Hand him
your
his
beer,
beer.
dude. Put your head down, though, like
No,
lower than
he's
it
good.
should be.
Come in.
Yeah!
It was so clear.
You didn't even drift.
That was gay. What are we doing?
Fucking bitch.
Oh my god, I'm scared. This is so much scarier than if we had just taken the normal turn.
Gross.
Oh, we're vlogging right now? Oh, it's an honor.
Yeah.
What's up, baby? Alex Pasha on the channel. Oh, yo, I'm hyped. I'm hyped. Welcome to the party, kids. Let's go.
Let's go. Come on, man. I do got him.
There we go. Easy work.
Oh, man.
Yeah. I was saying after him. It's only fair. My dad used to cage ride in Chicago. Yo, is this on the vlog? This is my friend Lucas Strong. He's gay, but it's not a big deal. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, what's up?
You know, he's a cool guy. But he sucks dick on weekends, just on weekends. He's a cool dude.
Weekends only.
He's my roommate freshman
Yeah,
year.
weekends only.
Tony Boy.
Only on the fucking weekends.
Don't judge me. We all love him for it, but like it's not a choice. You know what I mean? Tony the trip. Tony, he thinks it is, but it's not. I made 60 bucks in bribes yesterday bouncing. I want you to see what I'm up to, honestly. You gotta come through. Mizzou is a fucking madhouse, for real. Heard it here first. Come through. You don't have to fucking live here, but like you gotta check it out. I'm chilling, bro. Don't you worry about me. I'm comfy, bro. I chose this spot. Okay. Yeah, check this fucking door out. I broke it. You're gonna be so pissed if I broke this shit. Give me that. You're good. You got it.
We're just gonna guess.
That
looks good. You wanna continue the adventures of Bruce?
What's up, YouTube?
I'll see you later.
My name is Bruce. We're chilling in Mizzou right now. It's a Bud Light. And yeah, so we're gonna turn right at the end of the street. We're going to Willie's / Fieldhouse.
No, we're going to my house first.
We're going to her house first. That's what I
Yep,
said.
wrong.
I love mustard. I could eat mustard with a spoon.
Fucked up.
Actually, mayonnaise.
Oh,
Mayonnaise.
I would.
That's more fucked up.
I would do like the Jello food.
I would load
with
you
mayonnaise.
I just.
Oh, yeah.
It came on your hand. Lick it.
I love you.
Love you. I love you.
Love you.
Hey, you though?
Oh, that's hella cute.
Ah, I just chinned myself. Check out.
Let me hop on that bitch.
See you later, Cole Bros.
I'll see you later.
Man, we just got ditched.
Gang shit, hooligan shit. That's what we're about.
I'm giving you a weed job. I'm doing your lawn work for you.
But Should I run some shit on that table right there?
Yeah, go make a shot. Straight up. Go make a shot right now.
Do a dive on the table, Cole Gross.
Ooh!
Pussy.
You know what it is. More of me complaining at the end of the video. We went to Mizzou. We had a fine time. The footage there, we didn't get as much. I keep making excuses that we don't get good footage. And honestly, maybe it's just because we have boring lives and it's not as fun as we thought, and we're not as cool as we thought we were. But Mizzou was a little bit harder to film at just because we didn't really know that many people, and the people down there seemed to be a lot more like stingy about who you were and who you knew and stuff like that, so that was pretty fucking lame.
Why does this man have a camera?
Alright, well yeah, that brings it to the end of the video. Still haven't had any of the random people that watch these reach out to me and say hi. What's up, bro? Like, say hi to me. A lot of people that I used to talk to or just like know from through other people reached out and said what's up. That was super cool. Liked that a lot. I really like hearing feedback from, you know, the 5 people that watch the videos that aren't actually in the videos. A few of you that reached out, you know who you are. Let me know if you're watching again. But I'm still waiting for a complete stranger to reach out and be like, hey man, I like the videos, or to say, hey man, your videos fucking suck. I don't even know why I watched it. I'm only reaching out because you need to stop making these. They're the worst thing I've ever watched in my entire life. Hit me with one of those and I'll feature you in the next one. Or like, link you in the description. Don't know why I would do that. Or just say hi. That's it.
If I can make it, if I try to drive the red light.
Dude just walked in, blood all over his shirt.
Pass the fuck out.
What is oh, gross!
Yeah, man.
Cross College Avenue. Wait, cross College Avenue. Cross Broadway at College Avenue.
It's a Bigfoot.
Oh, that is awesome.
That is.
This thing?
It's a video cam recorder.
It's what the porn people use.
Yeah, we do a lot of porno.
Yeah, gay porn.
Sean's the main star.
Oh, fuck.
Porn.
Yeah.